All right, I'm going to bang these out quick and easy because I need to get them up for you to study with. What's the solution to the equation? Well, we're just juggling this around to solve for x. So I'm going to say um, subtract 5x from both sides. So I'll say 6x minus 3 minus 5x equals 5x minus 5 minus 5x. Okay? And these two, the reason that I did this operation, it's the inverse of what's there on the right-hand side, 5x. The inverse is negative 5x. So combining these like terms as well, on this side, we have the result of x, 6x minus 5x is x, minus 3 equals negative 5. And now I'm going to add 3 to both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 equals negative 5 plus 3. And we get then x equals negative 2. Okay? That's our solution. And we're going to do a proof on it. So I'm going to just box out an area over here that we can do a proof on. And I will write proof. And then we take 6x minus 3 equals 5x minus 5. And then 6 parentheses, negative 2, minus 3 equals 5 parentheses, negative 2, minus 5. Multiplying these together, we get negative 12 minus 3 equals negative 10 minus 5. And when we combine them together, we get negative 15 equals negative 15. Checks out. There, we're done.